Hello dear ones, welcome back to my channel. Today is another video of sewing and DIYs. For today's video, I will show you how I sew a simple ruffled shirt. Let's start sewing. This is the pattern that I will be doing, and this is the fabric that I will use. I will use this shirt to copy the size. I folded it to trace and cut the bodice and the lining. And this is how it looks like, the bodice and the lining of the shirt. And this is the sleeves that I traced and cut. And this one for the ruffles of the sleeves. And this fabric will be the ruffles on the lower part of the shirt. Now I will start sewing the bodice and the lining of the shirt. First that I will do is to hide the raw edges. To do it, I'm just folding it inside and do a simple hem. So I'm doing it on all the raw edges of the bodies and also on all the raw edges of the lining. After hiding all the raw edges, I will sew the back bodice and lining on the neck right side facing together. And do the same on the front bodice and lining. Then after that, I will just make cuts on the curves so that after flipping, it will not have crumples. And before flipping the fabric, I'm just doing a top stitch on the lining area. Now I'm sewing the shoulder of the bodice and the lining right side facing together. So this is how it looks like after. Now I will sew the sides of the bodice and the lining. And then after that, I will do the ruffles of the shirt as well as the sleeves. So I'm sewing now the sides of the bodice and also the sides of the lining. So for the ruffles of the sleeves and shirt, I'm just doing a running stitch. Then after that, I started gathering the fabric. Then after gathering the fabric, it will look like this. I am doing first on the sleeves. Now I will attach the sleeves on the gathered fabric and I will sew it together. am doing a zigzag stitch after sewing it to avoid the shredding of the fabric. What I'm doing now is stitching the armhole of the bodies together with the lining so that it will be in place before I attach the sleeves. Now I'm sewing the sleeves on the shirt. Then again, I'm doing zigzag stitch to avoid shredding on the fabric. Now I will do the ruffles for the lower part of the shirt. So the same way I did on the ruffles for the sleeves. Running stitch and then gather the fabric. Then after gathering, I'm sewing it on the lower part of the shirt. And again doing the zigzag stitch. For the lower part of the bodies, I'm doing a zigzag stitch to hide the raw edges. And then last, doing a simple hem on the ruffles of the sleeves and on the shirt. It's finished and this is the final look. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Happy holidays, everyone. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.